Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. We're demonstrating for you today this beautiful little Dorner belt conveyor. A lot of you are familiar with them. They are a low profile extruded aluminum body. Fits nice into tight areas. It's about an 8 by 6 foot conveyor. As you can see, a textured belt on the surface. It's operating on 120 volt, single phase. See, it does have most of the rails on it. There are some accessories. They go with the conveyor. They're not guaranteed or tested. There's a micro scanning barcode scanner and a small banner eye, pneumatic knockoff cylinder. This is the control panel for that system. It's actually operating off the power. The small LCD readouts are showing data. Nice, quiet. We have lots of conveyors, all types of packaging and processing equipment in our stock, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we certainly look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.